Welcome. In front of me I have the POCO M4 Pro, and today I will show you how you can apply a tempered glass to this device. Now this logic that I will apply here will basically work for any kind of other device, but this is basically the phone that I have right here that I will be showcasing it on. So anyway, and here you should have your tempered glass, assuming you already have it. Take it out. I have it ready somewhere on the side. So I'm just gonna stick it right here on my keyboard, as you can hopefully see. And apart from the tempered glass that came, here you should also find, there we go, this little thing. So this is a wet and dry wipe. Completely disregard this, it's absolutely garbage. The size of these things is absolutely just hilarious. Here we go, that's the size of the wet and dry wipe. So don't force yourself to use this. You have a microfiber cloth, it's just gonna work so much better. So I do have my microfiber cloth, so that's what I'm gonna use right here. And what you want to do is, before you start doing anything else, is clean off majority of the grime that is on your phone's display. So any kind of smudges, dust and stuff like that, just completely get rid of it. If you're struggling with cleaning it, you could try to use that wet wipe, assuming it is wet. Sometimes they just dried up anyway, but you could try to use it to maybe moisten the display and then get microfiber cloth just to clean it completely. It might help you out. But once you have it cleaned, you can proceed further. Now, before I do anything else, I'll give you a little pointer right here. I do recommend keeping the case on the phone, just because when you're applying the tempered glass, it will act as a bumper, so you won't apply it crookedly. If you do, it's just not going to stick to the display, so it will be easier for you to maneuver it around. Now, the way I do it, apply the glass, is I just kind of place one of the edges at either top or the bottom, depending. In this case, I would go probably for the top, just because there is a hole punch camera. So using my finger, I'll just hold it in place like this, and from there, I would try to drop it basically in the middle, like so, and it's just gonna start sticking on its own. So find an edge that you want to. If you obviously have a hole punch camera, I recommend going from the hole punch camera just so you can cover it completely, and then drop it. That's basically as hard as it gets. So anyway, let me clean off the display because I did leave a little bit of a mark on it. Okay. So once the display is prepared, peel off the little protective film, get your microfiber cloth once more, and get rid of any dust that might have settled. And there we go. And here we go. So I'm gonna try to catch this on camera. So there we go. That's basically how you could apply your tempered glass. Now, if it didn't go all the way, all around, you can just kind of use your finger to press it down. There we go. And now it's perfect. So there we go. That is how you could apply a tempered glass to your phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.